It's a NASA probe on a ground mission to Earth. This is the Goddard remotely operated vehicle for exploration and research. You can call it Grover. Powered by the sun, it will use radar to peer beneath Greenland's ice sheet, getting clues on how it formed.
Grover should be able to gather more data than a human could working in the ice sheet environment, and for a longer period of time. It'll go slower than we would with snowmobiles, but when it goes for 24 hours, which a human can't, it'll actually gather more data for us.
The robot really can work around the clock, for the moment at least. It's the Arctic summer right now, so the sun won't set below the horizon. Greenland is of major interest to climate change researchers. In November, a team of 47 scientists, backed by European and US space agencies, said Greenland and Antarctica are now losing 3 times as much ice each year as they were in 1990. Last summer, NASA said these satellite images showed melting areas on 97% of Greenland's surface ice. The refreeze afterwards is one of the things Grover will be looking at. Calculating how much ice has been laid down should help work out how much Greenland's melt is contributing to rising sea levels. While satellites keep track on climate change from space, Grover will never leave this planet. But just like its Martian rover cousins, Grover has NASA's fingerprints all over it.
This is like a spacecraft that operates on the ground. You see what I mean? It's just like a spacecraft because it has to survive in a hostile environment unattended for months at a time while we are communicating with it sporadically.
Grover's mission will be a lonely one at first, though later in the year it will be joined by Cool Robot, developed by Dartmouth College. Over the icy terrain, the pair will conduct their scientific research, never tiring and never complaining about the cold. Aisha Dergahi, CNN, London.